Welcome to Nemic.net. We hope that our new website will give you a pleasant and efficient means of procuring your industrial tooling supplies. The next few minutes we will be giving you a quick overview of our website, showing you some of the unique features it offers. I would like to thank you for your interest in Nemic Industrial Supply, and I'm excited to be able to service you with some of these new B2B technologies. Enjoy.
Welcome to Nemic.net. In this brief demonstration, you will learn about the basic functionality of the site. We tried to design Nemic.net to be as easy to use and as helpful as possible. You will see how to search for an item, how to access your account information, and how to give Nemic some feedback. The first thing we will do is demonstrate how to search for an item. There are three ways to do this. The first choice is displayed clearly in the upper middle section, the search bar. This search bar will search for almost anything. Give it part of a description, a Nemic part number, or a manufacturer's part number, and you will most likely see what you need. I'll search for Nemic part number 20-001. A few seconds, there's our item right on top. And you don't have to search for the full part number either. Like, see this one here, it's 23-8, and then you have the 20-001. It'll search for parts of part numbers. If you don't see what you want this way, there's the item categories on the left. These categories will bring you down to subcategories. Let's click on round cutting tools. And these categories will keep getting narrower and narrower as you go down. Then we can click on milling. We want a key seat cutter. We want a staggered tooth. And there's all our staggered tooth key seat cutters. Now the third way to shop is by manufacturer. The shop by manufacturers link is right on top of the search bar. Click there, and let's say we want something from Grow Bay file. Click on the G, find Grow Bay file in the list, click, and in just a few seconds their entire line that we stock, or that we carry, will show up on the page. And there's everything. The next section I'd like to show you is your account. Click on the My Account button next to the search bar to access your account. Here you can see all sorts of information relating to your Nemic account. Here you can edit your password. Here you can edit your username, your email address. Right here are your recent orders. Some basic information about them. You can drill down into the order here by viewing the detail, and it'll show you the individual line items. If your item has not been shipped yet, or invoiced yet rather, a little checkbox will show up here that you can expedite with. Check that box, hit submit, enter some comments, and then hit submit again, and your email will be sent to our sales team. The account reports down here, invoices, open orders, open accounts receivable, open quotes, and purchase history, are all pretty much the same. You put a start date, an end date, or you can search by a number relating to that type of report. So here for invoices you have the invoice number, PO number, or order number. You can select a date range and an invoice number, or you can just leave it wide open. Here's a Microsoft Excel button down here you'll see. You can click on that. This will run the report that you have set up right here and then ask you what you want to do with it. Open it or save it. If we just hit submit, it will bring us to all of our invoices. And again, we have some basic information about it here. You can search by any of these columns, or sort by any of those columns. Drill down into the invoice itself, and here we see the actual invoice. You can have a printable version right here. Here is our tracking number. This was just a test order, so it didn't actually go out UPS, but if it would if it went out UPS, there would be a tracking number right here that you can click on, and it'll open up a new page at UPS's site where you can track your package. Back to my account. Probably the open orders section and the open accounts receivable section, the open quote section are all pretty much the same as the invoices. You have some basic information, and then you drill down and you can see the detail. Customer purchase history, however, is a little bit different. It again lets you do your date range, or you can leave it wide open. I'll just leave it wide open and hit submit. The nice thing about this is that if you know there's a product that you ordered a couple of months ago, but you can't remember what it was, it will be in this list all the way back to January of this year. You can put in, say, here's my part that I wanted. Type in one package. You can add it to your cart right from here. There it is. Go back to your account, and that's your account. The next thing I'd like to talk about is shopping lists. The shopping list button is right next to the view cart button on the search bar. Currently, I have no shopping lists. To create a new list, all you do is type in a name and hit submit. You can make it something descriptive or whatever you want. Now when we go back to our shopping list tab, that new shopping list that we just created is in there. Now what you do, say we want some duct tape. We always buy 2 rolls of duct tape every Tuesday. Now there's, again, a few ways you can do this. The easiest way is when you're in here searching for your parts, you type in a quantity that you want added to your cart, and then you hit add quantities to list. Now here, you can either create a new list, or you can save it to the list we already did. Let's create a new list called duct tape. Hit submit, and there you go. This is your shopping list. Now you can add the list to the shopping cart, or you can change the quantities and do it that way. Now let's go back and find some earplugs. Let's say I always want to buy one of these with my duct tape. But we don't know that right now. Let's say we added this to the cart already. So now we have a few things in our cart. I can remove those. This is how you update your cart. Just hit remove or change the quantities and then hit update cart. Remove everything but our earplug station here. And now say I have my item in my cart, but I still want to add it to that list. There's add to shopping list button right here. Now again, I can either create a new name, or I can select an existing list, and we want to buy this with our duct tape. So hit submit, and there it is. And the nice thing about shopping lists is you can have as many as you want, and let's see how many clicks it takes to get one of our shopping lists in the cart. This is the home page. So you click on shopping lists. That's 1 click. We want our duct tape list. 2 clicks. Add list to shopping cart. That's 3 clicks. Checkout. That's 4 clicks. Type in your PO number. 5 clicks and you're done. And that's the beauty of shopping lists. The last section I'd like to go over is the feedback section. We have two different ways that you can send us feedback. The first link, both links are up here on this white bar. The first link I want to show you is the Contact Us page. Click on Contact Us, and you'll be displayed with a form that you can fill out with your company, first name, last name, phone number if you prefer, or email address, and then your comments or questions. This drop-down box here chooses who your comment or question goes to. If you have a comment or question about the website, select the website support, type in your company name, and then enter your question. Hit submit, and the website support will be emailed to the website support department. Email was sent. Now if you have a question about sales, or just a general question or comment, or you're inquiring about your account, you can select the appropriate department from the list. The second way that you can contact us is through our customer survey. We appreciate any feedback that we get because it just makes our site that much better for everybody. So if you can take a couple seconds every once in a while to click on this customer survey link and fill out our survey, it'll probably be updated monthly. That would help us out greatly and make the site better for everybody. I hope this Nemic.net training session has been valuable to you. If you have any questions at all about how to use the site more effectively, please do not hesitate to contact us. It's through feedback from customers like you that we can make this site easier for everyone to use. Thanks again, and happy shopping.